Just before we look at the TA for Bitcoin, don't forget to visit our website, bpoi.uk. Have a look around. Quite a lot of information on the website, and then you've got click here to sign up. So just click on this particular button. That takes you to bpoi.uk join. And then just have a look at the membership plan. So just want to do a month, $40, 6 months, $100, 12 months, $150. And we got some lifetime memberships as well, 49 lifetime memberships left, $200. So well worth the money. And then obviously take a look around the website and look at the different channels. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, just click on this button here. And then as long as you've got a Telegram account, just click on the view in Telegram and that'll take you to our free channel. We do post quite a bit of information in the free channel, and we'll answer any of your questions, whether that be on a setup that you're looking at or something that we've posted. Okay, cheers guys. Morning guys, 20 past 8 in the morning on Friday. Bitcoin shenanigans again. So let's go through what's just happened last 24, 48 hours. Okay, Fed meeting. Strong sell-off. Okay, move back up here. Sorry, resistance 37,078, support 35,510, resistance double top. Okay, 37,078, support 35,510, double bottom. Okay, double top, double bottom, W-shaped pattern. Move back up. Okay, higher high. That's what we wanted to see. And that's what I thought Bitcoin wouldn't be able to do. I thought when we saw this double top and this move down, I didn't think we were going to have this explosive move up, which we have done, and put in the higher high. Okay, as long as we keep putting in higher highs, we're in an uptrend. Okay, so we had a lower low, lower high. Okay, here's the higher high up here. Okay, downtrend. Now, higher high. Okay, uptrend. Sorry, higher low, uptrend, higher high, uptrend. Okay. What we need to do is put in another higher low and then another higher high. This is going to be difficult. Okay, 37,508, a lot of resistance. It's going to be difficult to get a higher high in, but remember, just need a higher high just slightly above 37,508 to confirm the uptrend. Okay, so my expectations right now, ignoring what's going on at the moment, is Bitcoin just needs to find support around about this area, 35,958. Just need to put in that higher high. Remember that this trend line here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me do this. So I'm just going to, let me reset this chart. Okay, as I think we're basically in or starting a new channel, a new ascending channel. So I'm just going to move this down. Don't normally do this, but I'm just going to move this down. Okay, you can see that these points line up pretty much exactly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this for the moment, just to take into account these lower trend lines. Okay, so we've got a broadening wedge. So around about there. Okay, so to me at the moment, this is where we're trading. So as long as we can respect this lower trend line, we're putting in higher highs, higher lows. Okay, these lines might change, but at the moment this is what I'm looking at. So I'm looking for Bitcoin, even if it touches down here, as long as it puts in that higher low, sorry, then that's perfect. Okay, the difficulty is going to be breaking above this level to put in the higher high. Okay, but as long as we're doing this, we can trade this. Okay, as volatile as it is, we can trade this. Once this breaks down and puts in a lower low and then a lower high, okay, we're then in a downtrend. We don't want to be in the downtrend because we can't really trade the downtrend unless we're short in the market. Okay, should never really trade against the trend. So our trend, generally we're spot traders, so we trade upwards. So as long as we can identify an upward pattern, we can trade altcoins, okay, depending on what Bitcoin dominance is doing. So right now I'm just looking for some support, whether that be here 36,527 or whether that be here 35,958. Just looking for some sort of support, and then I'm looking for a move higher to put in a higher high above this level. What we need, because we haven't really got, it's not strong confirmation at the moment, we could do with another touch of this lower trend line and then a move upwards. I'm not sure that's going to happen, but what we must keep an eye on is a breakdown, okay, of this trend line, and then a move down to this bottom trend line of the larger falling wedge that we're trading in. Remember, everything is geared towards us breaking out of this falling wedge, which we've now been in, counted from here, 27th of October or 10th of November. Okay, so the overall goal for Bitcoin is to break out here, and then once it does break out, what we're looking for is we're looking for Bitcoin to push up above this level, 44,618, retest and then move higher. But then also we're looking for Bitcoin to potentially trade in this range and then break out of this trend line here. Okay, if we put in a lower high, so this is your, actually let me just bring in the, it's just easy. So this is on the daily, so this essentially is your higher high. Actually, let's go to the weekly. Weekly will make it more clear. So right now this is your higher high, okay? Higher low, higher high. Still in an uptrend at the moment. Still a higher low. We don't want to break this level. Lower low, downtrend. Okay. If we do break out of this falling wedge, we essentially need to break this trend line, which is going to act as resistance, and then put in a higher high above 69,000 to then basically confirm an uptrend. Okay. This would then be our uptrend. So still a lot for Bitcoin to do, even if we do break out here, and I mentioned this yesterday, you break out here, okay, FOMO, retail, everyone buying in, rejection here, this would be a severe move down. So we need to be breaking this ideally on the first attempt and then retesting. It doesn't matter how far we drop as long as we're ahead of this line, and then moving higher, okay, because then we're just going to build another channel that we're going to be trading up in until we get to higher high level. But we need to break this resistance line first. Okay, sorry, a lot of yellow lines on the chart. There we go. So going back to today, all we're doing is we're trying to make our way across to this trend line to then have a shot of breaking out of this trend line. Okay, so right now we're still in an uptrend, so let's see if we can continue to be in an uptrend. And what you're looking for is you're looking to buy down in the area of value would be down here on your altcoin position, and then you're selling, probably you're selling in 37,508. So this is the difficult thing. So as a trader, if I'm spot trading and I'm trading with the trend moving upwards, I'm looking to buy down here, but I'm looking to sell here 37,508. So not only have you got the bears lined up short in the market, but you also have the bulls who are looking to sell their position here because of the strength of the resistance. So you've almost got a double lot of buyers and a double lot of sellers in this area looking to either take profits or looking to short the market. And so it makes it harder to sort of trade to push above 37,508, because personally, if I'm trading now and I'm trading altcoins, I'm going right buy here. I'm just going to sell when Bitcoin hits here, and then if Bitcoin does break out, retest, start to move higher, I'm going to buy back in here. But if Bitcoin gets rejected, I'm going to buy back in down the bottom here, and then probably sell again here, depending on what the indicators are telling me on this occasion. Are the indicators looking strong? If so, I might hold my position, retest, move higher. So lots to think about, but essentially right now, broadening wedge in an uptrend. Let's look to trade these areas if we can, and then what we're looking for ultimately is a move across to this upper trend line here, breakout, retest, move higher. Okay, but very volatile at the moment, so you could easily see a drop like so, and this is why it's very difficult to trade, because we know what we should be trading in, but some news might come out from the Fed or from institutions, or there might be a big sell-off and suddenly you're just down here. So all your best planning just goes to shit, if you like, because of some news that's come out. So Gonna leave it there. Lots to think about, but keep your eye on your positions. And if we do see some opportunities, we'll post them. We know, there's no point posting setups at the moment when Bitcoin is so volatile. It's just impossible to do, because more often than not, they're not going to play out. And there's no point. We use this time just to watch the market, to learn, to find new ideas, and do some research, really. So let's see what happens over the next few hours with regards to the Bitcoin price. Hopefully we'll find support here or here, move up, higher high. Okay, high, confirmed uptrend, and we can start trading that. All right, cheers guys, bye.